This is the campus of the Henry Ford Factory Museum as well as the assembly line welcome center. It's massive. We are in the parking lot. What you see is nothing in comparison to what you are presented in the factory tour. This is just the beginning.
So we were seeing the Henry Ford Museum. We were inside that, so that's why I missed your call in the morning. So now I just came out of the museum.
तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं हेनरी फोर्ड फैक्ट्री के दर्शन के लिए. लंबी कतार है पीछे, देख सकते हैं. This is the chassis of the F-150 truck of Ford, and let's have a look at the specifications. This is the Raptor version. That ends the Ford Factory Rouge tour. So a lot of things wasn't covered. Firstly, the photography is prohibited over here, so you won't be able to photograph a lot of things. But then it's exciting to have the 3D show as well as the 4D theater. So I'm sure there's a documentary on the Henry Ford plant or the assembly plant over here, the Henry Ford Museum as well. So you can have a look at that. But then I've tried my best to cover all the important images wherever possible, whatever they have permitted. So initially they take you into the welcome center, then you board the bus, and after that it's almost a kilometer or 2 kilometer ride on this bus, and once you reach the factory, then there's your welcome with some messages, some rules and regulations to be followed, and after that
Okay, good, thank you.
there is a 4D theater. To be precise, it is not 4D but something similar, and there's a nice 3D show specifically for the F-150 truck. And what happens is, I think so it's similar to the laser show that you had witnessed in the movie NFS. So that was the Mustang over there. Here it's F-150. Pretty good experience. That also is a museum. Due to lack of time, we won't be able to check that museum out. But then this was pretty fully loaded day for us. So yeah, thank you.
Subscribe to my channel Vairu and hit the bell notification icon to get the latest updates. If you love the videos, please don't forget to hit the like button and share them with your friends, and also leave your feedback in the comment section below. Additionally, you may also follow me on some of the major social media sites online, of which links are mentioned in the description below.